cowboy. No. You're not a hero just by galloping off in the sun. But you really need to be a cowboy.